What's up, guys? This is Doc Holiday 2.0. We at the IPS show. So, let's check it out. Check it out the show. I wish. It's okay, turn out. You know what it is, what it is.
Go ahead. I know the owner.
You do?
You're talking to him.
Alright. But, this is a prep for people who get ready for Fort Wayne.
But they're all replicas of real cars.
That I used to build mods.
It's kind of crowded right here, but I try and hurry up before 12 o'clock because they won't make us kick out. So let's go back on track. Back to the show. I do a nice lap around to the table.
I just can't get that question out of you.
I apologize, you guys are I'm trying to do the best I can. There's a lot of people.
With a guy who worked on that thing right here.
He did a whole good. This is my son.
A lot of good, pretty good. A couple of empty ones. Remember? Sorry guys, sorry guys, sometimes I talk to myself, sometimes, but, it's a habit. But if you look over this military stuff, guys. But but yeah, a lot of oh boy. The John Rama area, huh? So, you guys see this? I mean, it's like they're inviting you for come to freeze frame. Come to freeze frame IPS for the Nationals. Right here, guys. So we talk about the Fort Wayne the national show.
I took a picture of that.
So,
That is a nice concept. I just like the original.
sorry, guys.
Now, if you could find it here.
After that, guys, we're gonna head to airplanes. That's the least, yeah, that's the least airplanes. Or is that aircraft? But I am trying to do my best I can. You guys, work around one more time. My bad. Just cram right here. So. Alright guys, that's an IPS show. So remember guys, there's a lot of good ones right here. You guys never been on PS show? I say you guys be there. So this is Doc Holiday 2.0. I'm out of here.